In this guide, I'll show you how to get web browser or Internet Explorer on your HiSense 4K Google TV so that you can browse the internet using search engines like Google, DuckDuckGo, Bing, etc. Most TVs should come with a built-in browser, and you can find that on the home screen under your apps. It will say browser, so you can just launch it and start browsing the internet. But if you don't like the user interface, or if the built-in browser is missing, then you can get a better one from the Google Play Store on your TV. Just type in the search bar or use Google Assistant and say Play Store. Now just search browser and you'll get a lot of options. Find the one that suits you best. We will go with this one. And as you can see, it's way better than the stock one. So now you'll be able to access all the websites and search engines right from your HiSense Google TV. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more guides like this, and happy viewing.